Hi guys and gals. I just want to let you guys know that we've decided to add to the family, okay? I'm pretty excited about it. It's something I've wanted to do for well over 20 years. And I don't know what way to go on this. Without further ado, let's just show you the next. Doing this project with the 69, we're not really going to do anything to it until, the only thing we're going to do is switch the wheels and maybe adjust the park. Because I don't know if park's broken or it just needs adjusted on the cable. But here it goes. You ready? That's right. Oh yeah, that's all me right now. That's a 1988 Sis Classic Sierra Edition. Or maybe this is S15. Whatever it is, it's like, you know, your little S10, except for the GMC version. And you're seeing it. She's all original. And I kind of been wanting to do one of these ever since high school. Ever since a good buddy of mine, Greg Oliver Jr., had one, but his wasn't extended cab. Not bragging, but you know, his wasn't extended cab. But anyway, we have some plans for this truck. And I don't know whether to call this truck farmer's use only, because right now it'd be a, you know, decent farm truck because it's beat to booty, and you know, most people, I don't know, these trucks are kind of harder to find anymore. I found this one, and where we sold the John Deere, I just decided that I needed one in my life. Absolutely. But the interior is, you know, it's there. It's not bad. It's usable. I haven't decided whether to go, I mean, like, full-on little mini truck with a secret weapon under the hood. By secret weapon, she's going to be getting, what's underneath that blanket there? What's underneath that blanket there is the 5.3. And it's also going to be getting the IROX original transmission right there. We just have to rebuild it. Yeah, it's a 700R. No, they're not the strongest. And yeah, we'll probably blow the guts out of it. That's fine. And I'm thinking I'm actually going to put the Holley Sniper on this. That's been sitting on top of the 69. Just because. I might go with the Terminator X on this car. I'm not sure yet. Either way, I'm going to get a taste for the Holley. See its do's, don'ts, quirks, you know, this, that, and the other. The Terminator X seems a little bit more tunable. I don't know. It's raining. Forgot my coat in the house. This is awesome. Dang it. So anyway, maybe you guys can help me on this. Should we keep it, you know, the only problem, okay, I'll tell you my dilemma. My dilemma is I don't want a rusty truck. Don't know if you can see that, but that's factory. Yep, all of that. You know, the doors has got some places, the cab corner. You know, it looks like it's got toilet paper in it, tape. What is that? That's tape. Okay, so that's tape. So that won't do. You know, factory kind of stuff there. You know, it's got it. Seems like that's a, oh, yeah. Yep, yep. Yep, That means this bed is probably junk. So that's a plus. So, stick around, this is going to get interesting. So, my question is this, guys. Since this thing does need a lot of body work, I think my house just blew away. What the frig was that? Good night almighty. Anyway, so since that needs a lot of body work there, Should I like just spray can it after it's fixed? Rattle can and sand it to get that old grungy look? You know, leave those parts alone. Rattle can that. What should I do? Or should I just go ahead and do the whole thing? Like as a mint mini truck. You know, like meant to just be bad, you know what I mean? And we're gonna try 2 different sets of wheels. This truck here, we're building with stuff we already have. I'll just go ahead and say that. So we have a bunch of stuff everywhere. Almost made a heck of a mess. Anyway, we have IROC wheels. I've seen those on those trucks. They look pretty good. We have, with brand new tires, 20-inch SS Camaro wheels. I've seen a few on these cars, trucks, whatever. They look okay. And since these tires are decent, and by decent, I mean like they roll and sometimes they hold air a little, but God bless. Anyway, you know what SS rims look like, right? So we gotta have a set of those. I've thought like maybe we'll do a knockoff SS Cyclone extended cab kind of deal. I don't think any of them's been done. I do like different. Or do we just do this? You know, do we just keep it patinaed? You know, just like that. But you see, I don't want rust. So I'm gonna end up probably putting 2 fenders on it, probably 2 doors, and okay, just this bedside then. That one's actually solid. So I'm just gonna have to find out what in the world happened here. Maybe I don't want to see. Okay, good. It's just the bedside. It's come apart from the inner fender. So it looks like that bedside indefinitely. They're like 400 bucks. The tailgate is junk. That's good. Can't find those. And then this bedside, we might, God bless, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we'll find a good used bed or something. We're just gonna play it by ear. That's all. We're just gonna play it by ear. See what's going on with it. And I do want to keep a quiet exhaust with some little flick of the button, and then you start to hear that wicked 5.3 cammed up, because oh yeah, that's gonna be a fun little build. And you know, but this one we're not starting on until we start on the 69. The 69 comes first. Whenever I get fed up working on it, we're gonna jump to this. Whenever I feel like jumping back to that, this one sets. You know what I'm saying? Because unfortunately the IROC, I've had other things come up. I've got burned out on it. It happens. Whenever you spend all your time, or most of your time, working on this thing, I don't even record all the episodes and all the time that I spend on these cars, just because some of it's monotonous and boring, you know. Not like any of my other videos, but I'm just saying, some of them, they aren't that great informational, so I don't really, you know, throw that out there. Like whenever I was researching all the wires and fixing them and soldering them and all that, there's probably people out there that shows you how to solder. If not, let me know. I'll show you how to solder wires. But anyway, this, we need a name for it. Oh, and if you're wondering, there's absolutely nothing in this drivetrain I can use because it's the 2.8. So I can't use the transmission. Can't use anything. I mean, at all. It's got the wrong 700R, and it's just, but the interior looks decent. You know, that's what sold me. You know, that little character right there, and it just looks, you know. I thought about calling it Poop Shoot or Crap Show, but not with the crap word, you know. So I thought about calling it that because it's an absolute one. So, and I thought this was a short bed. I don't know if it's a short bed or not now that I look at it. Is it? I'm going to have to measure it now. Doesn't matter. We're going to send it. We're going to do it. So anyway, if you guys and gals, I got to throw this out there. If you haven't bought your man a nice present, he has a nice thick beard on him. I messed mine up. So, you know, kind of had to go back to the old starting grounds again. Right there. Get online on Facebook. Go to, okay, he goes by Christopher Coppick, C-O-P-P-I-C-K, on Facebook. You can go directly to his Facebook page and order this stuff. He will ship it to you. He's got, you know, the shampoos, the conditioners, whatever you need. And like I say, the Valhalla, that's still my special. That's my favorite still. But he's got everything you need to take care of that beard. And gals, your fella's going to really appreciate, and you're going to appreciate, not smelling that stinky old homeless smell on that beard. You know, get a hold of him. He'll send you that. And if you mention that you saw it here on Right Turn Garage TV, you're going to get a free sticker. You're going to get the free sticker that I just showed you. That's not a sticker, it's the lotion stuff, but you're going to get a sticker of that. And I think that's friggin' awesome. He's selling hats now, all kind of good stuff. So get a hold of Chris Coppick on Facebook, or Christopher Coppick, or you can go to Facebook and type in BAMF beard oil, all one word, and at least it looks like it's all one word on there. And like I say, tell him you saw it here on Right Turn Garage TV, get a free decal. He might have a Christmas special going on. I can't remember. You know, so tell him you saw it there, here, there, wherever, and you get it for free. He's going to send you one for free. Not the lotions and stuff, but, you know, the sticker. Anyway, guys, let me know what I should do on this truck, okay? Should we keep it, you know, as the old crap wagon? Or should we just dizzy up this old girl and really just make her shine like a brand new penny? My thing is, I kind of like shiny. Derek, I know you're afraid of shiny, but I like shiny. I can't help it. I've always wanted to build a sleeper. This is absolutely a perfect sleeper. Would you expect this sucker to have a 5.3 with, you know, somewhere around 500 ponies just shaking for the bits to get loose? I wouldn't. If I got out and ran by this, if I could catch the feller, I'd probably have to say, what's underneath the hood? Why did you just wax me like I was sitting still? I don't like that. So this is going to be an interesting build. I think, you know, with all this bodywork stuff, I don't know. I am more into replacing, like, boom, just get rid of it. You know what I mean? The fenders, I'm not even going to try to save. They're just, they're gone. They're crusty. I mean, the inner fenders are a little crusty. Yep. Hello. So I don't know if I'll be saving any of that. If I do go crazy, then I have to do something with this interior, because it's just, I mean, it's stock, and you know, but we're definitely doing something with it. All right, let me know, and I will absolutely consider it. I don't even know what I'm going to do to it yet. So anyway, guys, don't forget, order your BAMF beard oil, and things are going to get interesting on this one. This is going to be this is going to be the 20-year build that I've wanted to do. That one's so far beyond 20 years of what I've been wanting to build, but we're going to do these, you know, kind of the same time-ish. I think it's going to be good. Those are my 2023 projects. And hopefully we can get the IROC done, you know, before spring. That's my goal, before spring. Anyway, guys, the rambling was for free. Had to show you the new product, the new addition, you know, to the family. And if I come up with a nickname, if you guys come up with a nickname, shoot it down there. I want to see responses, because, you know, I don't know. I'm looking for a good nickname. It actually did run. It ran and drove in here. It's not fast. It's at 2.8, but, you know, I did drive it home. Didn't even have to do a, you know, will it run and get me there. I did worry about it though. But anyway, guys, this thing we're going to do something with. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna see if my house just blew away with all this wind. And until next time, we'll see you in, hold on, what am I doing? I gotta, if you don't mind, hit that old button down there somewhere. And we'll see you guys next time here on Right Turn Garage TV. Thanks for watching.